Hello everybody, this is Nora and today I bring you a very simple short tutorial, and this is what I have done here on my right hand. The mani that I'm going to do today, it was inspired by, this is a picture that I've had on my Pinterest for the longest, and I've been wanting to do this for so long. This was inspired by Decorated Digits. And this is a photo of her mani that I found on Pinterest. So I'm going to go ahead, you're going to see me recreate that on my left hand. I already started I did the tape on these two fingers right here, and I use the stamp for the knit look. So I'm going to show you how I went about it on my thumbnail, doing the tape.
Check it out, dog. You got the walk, you got the stance, but what's it really feeling? I don't know. Shaky on the walk. Randy Jackson giving you. Two times when lives were similar, and times it all seemed easier. Don't be afraid. I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze.
Okay guys, so there you saw how I went about creating this with the mask and how I maxed it with the tape. The reason I didn't do these two on camera was because I wanted, this is going to be my weekend mani, and I really wanted these to come out very straight, and sometimes things are hard to handle when doing it on camera. The black polish that I use, this is Black on Black from Sinful Colors. Now I'm going to move on to doing the stamping, and the stamping plate that I use is this one from Pure Joy Nail Studio. This is plate number 03A, and this is the image that I use right here, and I am going to stamp with my Born Pretty Store black polish. Now this is my Born Pretty Store stamping top coat. I totally love this top coat because it's meant for, it does not smear your stamping. And so you see, this is actually, I did not let much time pass after stamping this image, and you see what a good job it does. Now I don't have to you don't necessarily have to float this top coat, and it does not smear your stamping at all. I really am loving this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some foil glue and do some random spots with it, but of course on these nails I'm going to do it right on the center. Now I'm going to let these dry. And here's the piece of foil that I cut out to do this right here. These are already dry. And that's how I did those. I'm still waiting for these to dry. And I think while I'm waiting for that foil glue to dry, I can go ahead and remove the latex that I place on my fingers before the stamping. Okay, now that I'm done with my cleanup, we're going to do the foil. It's hard to remember where I put the glue. Okay, there we go. And after doing that, I'm going to go ahead, now that I see where it dried up, I can go ahead and add some more to some places where I want to put the foil. So I want to spread it more, a little bit more here.
At High Definition Hair, we don't just sell you a wig, we build you a masterpiece.
And we'll let that dry. Now I'm going to finish this mani with my outdoor top coat. And yes, I know that this top coat will be in a regular top coat. It will shrink up my foil, but for this mani, that's okay. I don't mind it. Okay guys, so here's the final result after I cleaned up. I hope you guys liked this quick tutorial and this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.